Now we will discuss the factors which affect mental health and well-being. So the list of the factors which affect our mental health and well-being is before you. First is genetics. Second point is biology. Then comes environment. Traumatic events also affect our mental health and well-being. Then life stressors also affect mental health and well-being. Substance use, such as the excessive use of alcohol, also affects mental health and well-being. And last but not the least, stigma and discrimination also affects our mental health and well-being. So now the question, how do genetics and biology influence our mental health and well-being? Answer. Genetics can certainly have an impact on mental health and well-being. Many mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, etc., have been shown to have links with genetic factors. In simple words, it means that individuals with a family history of mental health issues may be at a higher risk of developing them. In other words, it means that if a the father or the mother or of a person were having some mental issues, then it may be possible that the child may suffer from some mental health problem. It is not certain whether he will suffer or not. It may be possible. It is important to note that genetics is just one factor that can contribute to mental health problems. Environmental factors, lifestyle factors such as exercise, diet, etc., can also impact the mental health and well-being of a person. Biology can also affect mental health and well-being. The brain is a biological organ. The functioning of the brain and the body as a whole can impact mental health and well-being in a number of ways. For example, changes in the size and function of certain brain areas can impact mood and behavior of the individual. Next, imbalance in stress hormone cortisol can lead to symptoms such as anxiety, depression, and sleep disturbances. Imbalance in certain chemicals in the brain, such as serotonin and dopamine, can lead to symptoms of depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. That is, extreme mood swings can take place. Next question, how does our environment impact our mental health and well-being? The environment can also affect our mental health in some ways. Physical environment, the places where we work, where we live, where we spend our time can influence our mood, behavior, and overall sense of well-being. If we live in the areas where there is lot of pollution, or there is lot of noise, or we are having a lot of job stress, or the working hours in the office are very long, it can all lead to feelings of stress, anxiety, and irritability. Access to green spaces, natural light, and positive work environment can have a positive impact on mental health and well-being. Social environment can also have impact on our mental health and well-being. For example, having a supportive network of friends and family can provide a sense of belonging, reduce feelings of isolation, and provide a buffer against stress. On the other side, social isolation can have negative effects on mental health and lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, anxiety. Sometimes a person has to face bullying and social discrimination. This can also lead to long lasting negative effects on mental health. Economic and social inequality can contribute to mental health problems. People who live in poverty or who lack access to healthcare or education are more likely to experience depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.